Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Hirobot Wi-Fi Extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Hirobot Wi-Fi Extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or no signal areas in your home or office. It works by receiving your router's signal and rebroadcasting it, helping you enjoy faster internet in every corner. First of all, unbox your Hirobot Wi-Fi Extender. Plug it into a working power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Same room works best for first-time setup. Wait for the power LED to turn on and stay steady. This means it's ready. Check your main Wi-Fi router for a small button labeled WPS. Sometimes it's on the front, other times on the side or back. The button may have a small icon with two curved arrows or a Wi-Fi signal with a padlock. If you can't find it, check your router manual or manufacturer's website. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see the WPS indicator on the router start blinking. This blinking means the router is searching. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Hirobot Wi-Fi Extender. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking, showing it's trying to connect to your router. The blinking WPS LED on both devices will stop once the connection is made. On the extender, the signal indicator LED should light up, showing the strength of the connection to your router. More bars means stronger signal. If only one bar is lit, move it closer to the router and try again. Once connected, unplug the extender and move it to a midpoint between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi. Plug it into a socket in that location and wait for it to power up. The extender will automatically connect to your router again without needing setup. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.